Today I'm gonna show you how I do grocery shopping in Australia. I'm in Perth right now, so taking to one of the Perth grocery shop. It's a very big giant, guys. We call it here IGA. So let me show you what's inside. I need one for myself before it comes to Christmas. It's saying Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas in advance, guys. This huge section is all fruits, so you can see they're amazing and a good variety of fresh fruits you will find here. बहुत ही yummy fruits होते हैं यहाँ के, fresh होते हैं. You could see orange, mango, apple, kiwi, so many fruits out there. Now this is packed food, which could be pasta, salad, and if anybody is hungry, it's just ready to eat. ये मेरा फेवरेट सेक्शन है. ये आपको यहाँ पर सारे पैक सैलड्स मिलेंगे which are ready to eat. So this is all salads you are seeing right now, and of course few vegetables are in the queue: mushroom, capsicum. Now this is all tomato, lemon section. Different varieties of tomatoes आपको यहाँ मिलेंगे. Lettuce, a fresh crunchy lettuce. This is also my favorite. And this is all crispy stuff. That's a healthy section if you want to have it. The chips. And then what you're looking just in front of you is all green vegetables. Amazing view for me, at least, because I'm a health conscious person. तो मेरे लिए तो मज़ेदार है ये. It's all organized well in IGA. That's the best part. You want kiwi, you want ginger, you want radish, you want carrot, fresh beans, cauliflower. Just choose. It's here. Beetroot. This is non-veg section. अब आ रहा है yummy yummy section, which is all fruit and pastries, ready to eat breads, yummy custard sweet dish, cakes, whatever you can think of. This is not very my go-to section, so I don't have much experience, but yeah, it's very huge. And here you can see variety of eggs, free range eggs, cage eggs, organic eggs, whatever you can think of, you will get it from here. This is all cookies section. Yummy yummy cookies, you will find it here. Muffins, yeah, once in a while, you know, I do enjoy this. And this is the famous Leamington Australia signature dish, the sweet cake. This is all from Turkish. It's a Turkish sweet dish, Turkish spreads. You'll find it here, all the variety. Now what you're looking in front of you is the non-veg section, guys. यहाँ पर सारी variety आपको मिलेगी non-veg की. Chicken, beef, whatever you can think of, I mean, fish, yeah. So it's fresh, nice non-veg. If somebody eats it, then it has all the fresh variety of non-veg. ये never ending section है, guys. आप देखते जाओ बस. It's like these are fresh salmons. That's my go-to. Prawns, smoked salmon, and these are all health drinks, ready to drink. Fresh fruits, sushi if you want to try. And this whole is the candy sections, variety of candies, you will find it here. और ये पूरा का पूरा सेक्शन जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, ये है ड्राई फ्रूट सेक्शन. सो variety of dry fruit, you will get it here in this section. Namkeen, some crisp drinks, your favorite Coca-Cola flavor. Now this is also my favorite part. This is all chocolates. You can imagine all chocolates are here. Ferrero Rocher, Snickers, whatever you can think of. I mean, you will also have like 100 variety of Cadbury chocolates here, never ending. पूरी की पूरी ये जो पूरा सेक्शन है ये चॉकलेट सेक्शन है. Here we have yummy cookies. I cannot forget M&M. That's my niece's favorite. The famous M&M gems. This is all crisp. I mean, you can, whatever you can think of, you'll find it here. Doritos, different flavors of chips. You will find lentil chips, you will find potato chips, whatever you can think of. Yeah. This is all tomato sauce. Pasta sauce, pastas, full of pasta variety you'll find here. तो ये जो पूरा स्टोर है एक अमेजिंग स्टोर है. आई मीन यू कम हियर एंड यू फाइंड एवरीथिंग यू कैन थिंक ऑफ, ऑल द स्पाइसेस, even Indian stuff is also here, so no problem. What's ahead? ये हम कहाँ गए? ये है पूरा डेयरी सेक्शन. यहाँ पे आपको हर तरह का मिल्क मिलेगा. कोकोनट मिल्क, आलमंड मिल्क, cow milk, and this is also my favorite section. These are all yogurts you will find in different flavors, protein yogurts or Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is my go-to usually, but you'll find like 100 varieties of yogurt here. Coconut yogurt, this and that. This keeps me happy and healthy. The vitamins, essential vitamins, you'll find it here. Your pharmacy is also here. You could get all tablets which doesn't need doctor prescription here from the store itself. Cosmetic, your daily shampoo, conditioner, hand wash, whatever you can think of. So you just need to come here. Sometimes you know मेरे से shopping भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है. जब आपको इतनी सारी चीज़ें दिखती हैं तो guys थोड़ी गलतियाँ तो हो ही जाती हैं. You buy extra. Yeah. Colgate is also here. So you never miss anything. Such a big store it is. And every essential item you will find it here. Now this is the very special section of ice cream, guys. Ice cream I'm talking about. Yes, look at the flavors, look at the brands. You'll get it: Hershey, Magnus, Ferrero Rocher. I mean, just think about it and you'll find them. Different flavors here, different brands of ice creams here. So yeah, once in a while I indulge. So by my usual go-to, I'll show you in a bit, and I'm gonna buy today also. Since I'm showing you, so I can't just, you know, avoid it. लेना ही पड़ेगा और खाना भी पड़ेगा मेरे को. तो अभी दिखाती हूँ मेरा फेवरेट go-to आइसक्रीम बार कौन सा है in a bit. So this is all Ferrero Rocher is a new addition here. अब देखते हैं क्या खाने वाले हैं हम. Let's take one, which is my favorite. Almond from Magnus. I'll have this. Enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.